course, we all know him for the iconic Black Panther, one of the biggest characters in Marvel, especially because of him. He also played other big names in history: James Brown, Jackie Robinson, Thurgood Marshall. These are just a few of his roles that I feel he did what he can to portray black men, especially in a positive light, taking on very impactful black.
Yo, yo, what's up, family? Got another unboxing here. We got another piece from Invicta stores. As you can see, this was sent in this bubble wrap type packaging. So not a box like that was sent from Shop HQ, but if my memory serves correctly, pretty sure they usually do send a box, but maybe that's because I normally order multiple items and this is just one. I'm not sure. Anyone watching this video, who knows if they just wrap it in bubble wrap. If you get one thing from Britto stores, let me know. But yeah, gonna open this thing up, take a look at this Britto Bolt. Let's hop into it. Okay, so as you can see, this is the Britto box. This is my first time seeing this box. Maybe this is the original box for all Britto pieces, I'm not sure. But yeah, pretty cool. It's a smaller box to the regular Invicta box, obviously. Yeah, that's pretty nice. And as we slide it out this cardboard cover, you can see Britto's artwork on the case. Here it is. Case is pretty cool, I'm gonna say. It says Britto on there, Invicta, limited edition, and has his recognized artwork. But yeah, very cool. Open this thing up. Here it is. I like this pillow that they have with it. Very soft pillow right there. Here it is. This newer generation Britto Bolt. Not sure why the camera doesn't really focus. The plastic sticker is on there, but should get some focus out of this camera. But anyway, looking real nice. Got that pattern on the dial. Got the bolt around there. That glass fiber inlay with multiple colors. I love the bezel. Love how it sticks out like that. And of course that bracelet with glass fiber inlays. Yeah, real cool piece. But yeah, as you can see, that popular artwork from Britto is printed on the dial, as well as this case. And if you look over here, I also put out these socks and this hoodie, which I also have with his artwork on there. Definitely gonna be one of my favorite fits to put together. But yeah, just look at that dial. such colorful and bright artwork. And I'm clearly a fan. Definitely gotta send big thanks to Invicta for introducing me to Britto in the first place. Absolutely loved artwork. But yeah, review will be coming. Everyone stay happy and healthy out there. I'll see you in the next one. Love y'all.